My name is Mrs. Honey and I'm a fully qualified primary school teacher. The next set of sounds we'll be going through are called digraphs, and this is when there is two letters that make one sound. So for example, if you've got the letter C and the letter H and they are next to each other, they no longer make the sound K and H. When they're right next to each other, they make a new sound. They're a new digraph and they make the sound ch. I always tell my students that C and H, they're really good friends, and when they come together, they can do some magic, and this is why they make a new magic sound, the sound ch, like in cheese, ch, cheese. The next digraph is S and H, and when those two letters come together, they make the sound sh, sh for ship. The next digraph we'll be talking about is T and H. Now this digraph actually has two versions of its new sound. So the first one is a soft sound, and that sounds like this. You put your tongue at the top of your teeth like this and blow out air. And this is the soft sound, like in the number 3. 3. And there is also another version of this digraph, and that makes a harder sound, like th. For example, in the word brother, you've got the TH and it makes the th sound. Brother. Our next digraph is N and G, and when they add together, they make the sound ng. Ng. Ng for strong. This digraph, E and E, makes the sound E. It's just a long E sound. For example, in the word bee. There is also another digraph that makes the sound E, and that is with the spelling EA. That also has a long E sound, for example, in the word see. The next digraph makes the sound A, and this can actually be spelled in two different ways. So we can have AI and we can have AY. Both of these digraphs make the sound A. So we've got A as in rain, and we've got A as in play. Our next digraph sound is the sound O, as if you see something and you go O. And that can be spelt in two different ways again. So we've got O and A, that makes the sound O. And we've also got OW, that also makes the sound O. So OA is for goat and OW could be for snow. Both make the exact same sound. Our next digraph is the OO sound, and that makes two different sounds again. It could either make a short sound, which is or it could make a longer sound, which is oo. So you've got and oo. Could be for book, and oo like in the word zoo. There will be a video where I'll be teaching you when this sound is a sound and when it's the oo sound. So keep looking out for that. Then we've got the digraph qu. Q and U make the sound qu, as in quiz. Our next digraph is A and R. They make the sound R, as in car. Our next digraph makes the sound or, and that can be spelled in two different ways again. So it could be OR, which makes the sound or, as in the word book, or it could be spelled AW, which makes the sound or, as in yawn or yawn. The next digraph, which makes the sound has actually got 3 different spellings. And I will be making a video about this as well, just about this digraph, because that is so tricky. So we've got the spelling IR, that makes the sound as in the word girl. Or we can have it the spelling UR, as in the word surf. Or it can be spelt ER, like in the word mixer. So these 3 different looking digraphs actually all make the sound The next digraph is I and E, and when they come together they make the sound I, as in the word pie. The next digraph sound is ow. That can be spelled in 2 different ways again. So that could be OU, as in the word house, ow for house. Or it could be OW, as in the word cow. So both those different spellings make the sound ow. The next digraph sound is the sound oi. There is 2 spellings again. So we've got OI, that makes the sound oi, as in the word coin. Or we can spell it OY, and that also makes the sound oi, like in the word boy. The next digraph is U and E, and that makes the sound U, as in the word barbecue. The next digraph is PH. When they come together, they make the sound sounds the same as the phoneme F we learned earlier. That also makes the sound. Our last digraph is the digraph W and H. When they come together, they make the sound W, as in the word whale. A lot of people say W, although actually if you break down the word, it just makes the sound W. All those digraphs I've just shown you are the main ones in the English language. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be doing lots and lots more similar phonics videos. See you again soon. Bye.